Hi guys, welcome back to Dudes Tech. In today's video, we're exploring the best digital picture frame available for your home. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Bigasuo 159 Nano K. Let's get started. Product feature. The 15.6-inch IPS Full HD touchscreen delivers crisp, vibrant images with a wide 178-degree viewing angle, making every photo look stunning from any perspective. Built-in Wi-Fi and the Framio app allow friends and family to send photos and videos directly from their smartphones to your frame from anywhere in the world. An interactive reply function lets you respond to new photos with fun emojis, creating a playful and private way to stay connected with your loved ones. With 64 gigabytes of internal memory, the frame can hold approximately 100,000 photos, ensuring all your precious memories are kept in one beautiful place. The frame supports flexible storage, allowing you to import, export, or back up your collection using SD cards or USB flash drives for offline convenience. Smart features like auto rotation, customizable slideshows, brightness adjustment, and sleep mode allow the frame to blend perfectly into your daily routine. Beyond photos, the frame features a built-in speaker for video playback, allowing you to relive favorite moments with full sound for an immersive experience. Pros: this frame is a beautiful way to keep your family close, even if they live miles away. The massive 64-gigabyte storage means you'll never have to choose which memories to keep. Its large, bright screen makes every photo look like a professional print, and the interactive emoji replies bring a smile to everyone's face, making digital sharing feel personal and heartwarming again. Cons: while it offers great flexibility, you'll want to ensure any extra SD cards or USB drives are formatted to FAT32 for the best experience. Also, using a 32-gigabyte external device is recommended to keep things running at peak performance, which is just a small extra step to ensure your precious memories stay safe and accessible. Final thoughts. Imagine walking into your living room and seeing a fresh photo of your grandkids or a video of a friend's wedding pop up instantly. This isn't just a tech gadget, it's a bridge between hearts. It turns a static house into a home filled with life and love. You're investing in a daily dose of joy and a way to ensure that no special moment ever fades into a forgotten phone gallery. Your favorite memories deserve a place of honor in your home. Check the price link in the description to bring this beautiful frame home today. Subscribe to Dudes Tech and like this video to see more ways to upgrade your life. See you next time.